Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about copy and paste feature in Excel. I mean advanced copy and paste. I'll show you some example on this video. I'm sure that video will help you to work smartly in your daily work. So guys, please watch this video till the end. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. Okay friends, I'm showing some example here. This is my workbook. Okay, here I'm going to show you. Here I have some jobs, my jobs. This is my jobs. Okay, and I want to copy and paste this into this sheet. For that, if I do copy, I already made copy and Control C. If I paste as Control B, then this will be paste all formatted values also. Okay, so I don't want it. So for that, very simple. Right click and paste only value. After that, I want to put my work status. Okay, if you know some of these work, then you can put the status, otherwise you cannot, right? So for that, maybe I can make it for this removal installations. Okay, the removal completed, and then for this, okay, rest of the jobs are here is blank, so I don't know the status, for example. So in this situation, is what you can do is just press the Ctrl G, special blank cell. Okay, there. See, it's very easy and very fast, right? Okay, so similar here you can make the comments as well. So like after the removal, what we're gonna do. Okay, this is maybe I will put the installation pending. Right, for that, first of all I have to select the cell installation pending. Okay, I think this is my first time. Okay, installation, right? Okay, so now just select all the cell together with that whatever you have put the value. And same thing. Initial pending. And another example is what I want to show you is copy the value multiple times, meaning multiple value continuously. Then you can paste where you want to paste that one. Let's see. What I'm going to show you is if okay, these value, I don't need all these. This is for example only. Okay, maybe we can see this example in another sheet also. Just wait. Okay. Estimation sheet. I don't have that. Okay. No problem. No problem, guys. I'll show you that ones. Here, make copy this problem will come in another way actually, like you have two files are open for maintenance schedule. What is this? Okay friend, here I am going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, copy the value, multiple values one time, and paste it wherever you want to paste. Okay, so let's see how we can do that one. First of all, if I want to paste this work details, then copy then this one. Maybe you need the date as well, and yeah, work center as well, this also, and description also, and okay, and maybe work auto type also. Okay, so now yeah, instead of control V, you just need to do is Windows key plus B. This will give you to choose the value which is you want to paste. Okay, here I want to paste is these order, right? And here this, right? Here, and paste is this, right? Here and this, here, this, right? See, you don't need to go to the another file like this one and copy and this one and paste. So one time you can copy and then paste. Just copy the format filter, then paste it here. See how easy here. So guys, like my videos, I'll upload the videos which is very useful in your work. So thank you guys.